Welcome back. We got an update video on the southern project. Working on getting everything demoed out today. Trash is in the dumpster. Doing more prep work on getting the inside ready for painting and new cabinets to go in. All that fun stuff. I don't think we're gonna work on getting this deck out today. The dump trailers and the dumpster are full. We did get the roof got replaced yesterday. They're supposed to be here today putting new HVAC systems in, but they're not here, which is cool. I guess I'll get it next week. Got all this cable crap demoed off. We got our dumpsters full. Got all of our scrap metal stuff to take it so we can recycle it. Got the laundry room all demoed out, countertops gone. We're ready for pouring in here. Got all the switches changed, outlets are put in. We got a new vanity for here. Our construction toilet. Get a new diverter. All that paneling came down from there too. This thing's ready now for painting almost. Drywall patches are done. Probably do one more coat of mud on this before it'll be ready for paint. We still got windows and doors to change. Cabinets are coming out. Hey. Hola, ¿cómo está? We gotta get these things out, but we got the trailer is full. Who's this guy? Run upstairs. Got the bedroom almost ready for painting. The bathroom. Still got to demo that shower. Take this out. We put the new diverter in. Got this panel pulled out. We got to run all new plumbing in here. We got to take and cut holes in the walls. This one's probably gonna be a few weeks before it gets painted because we gotta take and cut parts of the ceiling out, walls to run new piping up here for everything. Shouldn't be too bad. Oh, and we gotta frame in these because they literally plywooded right over them. Old skylights are always leaking, which they were leaking. Well, that's it. Oh, we got one more bathroom over here. This bathroom. Oh, is this the fan light? I guess there's no. I guess the power's off. But this one's ready to go. Gotta fix the ceiling. Gotta get the window for there because it's nothing there. Got the hole cut for the plumbing. Oh, I gotta take this light down. Fix it. Fix that. Probably gonna have to fix that post. That window's really dirty. That's a short update video on our southern project. Next week we'll be doing, hope maybe changing some windows out over here and getting the rest of this stuff done and gone.